Hey guys, and welcome to my next reaction to Vikings. So, at this moment, I feel like a lot of the characters are at very, very pivotal moments, and stuff that they do in these next few episodes will have like lasting effects for how their journey goes for the rest of the season. I talked about this a little bit at the in my last two reactions, but so I'm a little nervous. I feel like I just want the writers and to do justice, I guess, for all of these characters that we've grown to love and all of that. All right, let's get into it. Oh wow!
This is the end.
I mean, part of me really thought that it was just a big trap.
I took your kingdom from you. Is it arbitrary? Is there something that is the reason for it all?
If you would have left me there to die, of course, this would be different.
The Christian God will destroy our gods, but not before I have safely reached Valhalla. But one thing I'm thinking,
I mean, Harold could help you with that right now.
Have you killed?
Wow. That is quite a first scene.
Anna used to be one of my mistresses. One day she asked my permission to marry my brother. Since I was growing tired of her.
That really does seem like a dangerous duo, doesn't it?
I think I should be with you.
Why?
I know I'll bring you luck and good fortune. If you're with me, you would never doubt yourself again, and you will be the greatest king to ever live.
You have chosen the wrong man.
You're the king.
No, sweetie. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, God. No, I feel terrible. I feel terrible. No, honey, no. Oh, it makes me sad. It really does.
Are you Lagertha?
Yes. We lost our men, our husbands and older sons in storms and battles.
What, did the saviors
Now we have
roll
to raise
around?
our children
Jeez.
alone.
Keep your eyes open.
See Ivar? Right now, he's over there. Looking at me. Looking at me. I can see him. It's the ghosts. You with child. Yes.
Oh.
I've always wanted a son. Or a daughter. I don't mind. Just
Oh my God, he's breaking my heart.
someone to love.
I would be happy to look after them, and I could teach them many skills that they would need in life.
And if
Oh,
there was any danger of you being lonely?
I don't deny
but
that.
also there's a crazy man in the woods
What
that's
do you
trying to
think?
get you, so I don't know.
If the children agree, I think it is a good idea. Since you are pregnant with our first child, maybe you should stay home as well.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's gonna throw her
What
food
did
at
you
you.
say?
Oh, God.
You were with child. We must look after you.
No, that's not what I meant.
Skull.
Skull.
Going to King Harold's aid.
I don't need to see the sacrifice scenes. Stop. Bjorn, karma's gonna get you.
Can he be it?
Stop.
Don't deny the gods.
Okay, Bjorn! You know, I never loved those sacrifice scenes.
And one day we will all be together again.
I'm
That's what I will
nervous.
pray to the gods for.
I'm so nervous. Like,
We leave them in your safe hands.
We will all see each other again. Somehow, someday.
I'm
like
thinking of
this goodbye is way too long and lingering, like something bad is going to happen.
He thinks he's a lion. But he's just a dog.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Heimdall.
Yes, Heimdall. But who could tell it was Heimdall? That figure on the seashore.
Fuck.
Heimdall.
Girl, you better start digging for your sword. Fuck. Just fuck.
Клянусь, так уже не начну тверить.
Дай мне такое место.
Там и лучше.
Сотворите чего же достанись, брат ты мой любимый.
Oh, God.
Клянись сегодня.
Один не могу.
I feel like this is gonna be bad.
Брат,
I mean, are you surprised? He seems a little, I mean, Jesus.
I feel strange sitting
I don't
here
wanna
in this
know.
chair. My brother, Hvitserk.
Oh. Well, he's gone.
Hvitserk is going to lead a trade mission along the Silk Road.
Yeah,
Trading along its long route. Perhaps even to China.
I don't know.
We are Viking. We are travelers. And we are traders. That is our destiny.
Wizard! Call her!
Hvitserk.
I'm sorry.
Oh, God. Okay.
They attacked at night. They stole our grain stores and our animals. They beat him up and smashed his brains out. They raped me.
Oh, they won't come back. Of that I'm certain. You must all prepare for another attack.
Oh, that's right.
I've always wanted to be a king. A king? Can you imagine? King Canute. I could make you king. You do not have power. You just have words. So you're a philosopher also? No, I am more the practical kind. It seems Bjorn Ironside has arrived on our shore with a very large fleet. Possibly he has come to rescue you.
Oh. Ah! Ah! Girl, get your sword. Oh, see. Yup. Dig it up. That lasted all of one episode. 2 maybe. Oh my god.
Stop! Face it!
I don't want to see. Ah!
Neither of the two will escape the flame.
Ooh, you know that is cold.
Where are you going? I can't see any guards.
Fuck.
I can't see anyone.
Fuck!
See, come and see. Come and see.
Son of a bitch!
The wreck of humanity. Broken heads.
Come on, Bjorn.
The wreck of humanity. The wreck of humanity.
Shit. Like, fuck. Well, I'm gonna go with not Bjorn's finest hour in this episode. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, a couple of things. Well, let's talk about, seeing as I brought up Bjorn, well, we'll talk about Bjorn first. You know, I had a feeling that he, within the first half of the season, or, I mean, who knows how long he'll last, because we all know that Vikings, the TV show, that, like, has no problem killing off main characters. So, but I had a feeling going into this season that he was going to be tested, and he was going to have quite a few bumps in the road, losses, whatever you want to call it, and to really kind of teach him lessons of decision making and everything like that. I did ask, I think, in the past 2 reactions, how you guys felt, if he should have gone and got Harold. You know, obviously it may not have been the smartest decision, but like I said in a previous reaction, I do like the fact that Bjorn is, in that sense, kind of he's got a kind of, I can't find the right word of what I want to say, but a sense of duty to those who have helped him in the past and everything like that. And I know that him and Harold have been on opposite sides of battles as well and everything like that. But so there, it is something that I like about his character. It's always going to be something that I care for in his character. I don't know if that leads to great decision making sometimes. But seeing Harold in there, and it's weird because, like, Harold was never, I mean, I like Harold fine, don't get me wrong, but he was never, like, one of my absolute favorites of the show, which to each their own. But you know, like, I feel bad for him in there. And, like, part of me is just like, okay, well, Bjorn's coming. Like, but I mean, I don't think it's over. I don't think, you know, like, we have more show. This is only episode 3, so, you know, don't count Bjorn out just yet. But you know, I feel bad for Harold. A little bit. Just how I'm feeling. Genuinely though, and I feel like maybe I was the only one who thought this, but like, I thought it was a big old trap. I really did. Leading up to the first scene in this episode, I genuinely thought that there was a strong possibility that, like, Harold just sent messengers, and as soon as Bjorn got there, he was just gonna kill him. Bjorn was gonna get met by, I mean, I genuinely thought that was a possibility. So it's kind of interesting that, you know, that was, you know, not correct. But interesting. I don't think this isn't over yet. Well, you know, we've got quite a few episodes to go in this season. And, yeah, so, I 100% do not, and I'm going to talk about, I think karma is going to get Bjorn when it comes to this other woman who I'm sorry, I don't know her name. But also, like, I don't know how I feel about the plot line of it. Let me know what you guys think. It's very reminiscent, and not in the same way, because whenever I say something is similar, I feel like there's always somebody in the comment section who is like, no, it's different because of that. There's some similarities to how everything kind of went with, like, Ivar last season, of a, you know, a woman saying you're gonna get this great destiny, but you know, and this woman being like, you're gonna have luck and fortune. I don't know how I feel about it, but I guess we'll see how it goes. Just all right. All right, so a couple of other things. Hvitserk. I feel awful for him. And the thing is that he's really getting kind of, you know, haunted by ghosts, and probably a lot of guilt for leaving her behind. I think it's probably to the fact that he had to have known somewhere or he should have known that she wasn't going to survive after he left, you know, like, that Ivar was not going to let her you know, I just, so I think Hvitserk has a big heart as well, and I feel terrible that he's going through this right now, and I really want to root for him. You know, Hvitserk was kind of the son of Ragnar for, I would say, like, the first half, back half of season 4 and the first half of season 5, that I really just didn't connect to too much. And then throughout, I feel like the second half of season 5, I really started rooting for him. There were moments where I really was rooting for him. And now that I'm invested, I don't want this to be his journey, you know, in the sense of, I'd like to see him overcome what he's going through right now. And I don't know if that's going to happen, because let's be honest, like, Vikings as a show doesn't always have happy endings. It does, you know, it rarely does, you know what I mean? Like, I just feel like a lot of fates of these characters are going to be really kind of sad and depressing. And I just really, I don't know. You know, I just hope that he can get out of where he is right now. I really do. And I don't know if that's naive of me to say, but I'm gonna say it. I really like what they're doing with Lagertha this season thus far. I'm a big fan of how they're kind of handling her plotline. I talked about this in one of my past 2 reactions where I just, you know, I kind of said that her in season 5, it's just, I didn't connect to it too much, you know, and I like her, but I felt like I didn't have this, you know, like, rooting for her mentality that I've had in so many past seasons. And I think they really brought it back down to why we all, I don't want to say all, because why some of us really loved Lagertha in the first place. You know, very kind of on a farm, strong woman, very kind of an underdog, and not with all of these ambitions or anything like that. And then down to the roots. You're gonna come and attack, and I'm gonna fight for my kids or grandbabies, you know, like, and so now I'm ready. Let's go. I don't know their names, but crazy men in the forest. Try it. And I know Lagertha is old, but I think she still got all the fire she needs in her heart to kill these motherfuckers. And so I'm excited. And I really genuinely am hoping that both of the kids make it out too. I felt like that goodbye scene was way too long with Torvi and Uba and the kids. Too long. And they're like, well, we'll definitely see you again someday. That's like a death sentence in this show. Like, I'm definitely gonna see you. Don't say that. Are you crazy? Oh Lord. So I am still nervous, but I also do have faith in Lagertha. So let's go. And I guess the last thing that I'm going to touch on is Ivar and Oleg. It seems like Oleg is a big fan favorite right off the bat, if you judge my comment sections of the first 2 reactions. I don't know. I, more so than anything, really want to see what's in Ivar's mind, and if he genuinely has a friendship with Oleg, or if he's playing Oleg. I think it's... that's what I find to be the most interesting about that whole plotline. When it comes to Ivar and Oleg together. I would like to see where Ivar's head is at. I think he's bonding with the little boy, which is, I was a little concerned about how the little boy acted in that last scene. But, you know, if you're going to be surrounded, I mean, it's brutal times, so, I mean, but I didn't like that, but I mean, okay, hold on. I try to explain myself. the making fun and laughing at somebody who's been like degraded in that way is it's just tough. It's not. I mean, as humans, I feel like that's always tough to watch. And it is what it is. It's the you know, how things were. But you know, the cruelty of it all is always a tough thing to watch. And I hope that maybe Ivar and this little boy will bond a little bit more, and maybe we'll get a little bit more of Ivar's more kinder side coming out a little bit. I don't really know if that's gonna happen, but you know, I mean, I can hope. I'm a bit yearning for Ivar to really kind of have quite a change in how he was, and the back half of season 5. And I think him hanging around Oleg, who is a, you know, from what we can tell, fairly cruel and crazy man. I think that's fair to say. That I'm not entirely sure that that's a good influence. You know what I'm saying? Like, for that to happen. So maybe my dreams are all shattered. Everything that I want for this season is all like not gonna happen. But you know, it's okay. I love the actors, and everybody so far I think is doing a great job. But yeah. That's about it. That's about all I have to say. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this reaction. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.